Hello, Turks and Caicos. I am Honourable Willin Belliard, and I am one of the governor's appointed members to the House of Assembly, and I serve the people of the Turks and Caicos Islands. Because of my responsibilities, I am required to file a declaration with the Integrity Commission. But this is not the first time that I am filing a declaration. I first filed a declaration in 2019 when I was appointed as a member of the Financial Intelligence Agency Board. The filing process has been very easy for me, and it has become easier since being appointed to the House of Assembly. This is because I attended an orientation section for new declarants, which the Integrity Commission provides regularly. At that section, I was able to ask all the questions that I had about completing the form. The section was very interactive, and the compliance staff made sure that all my questions were answered. They made sure that I understood why I was completing the form and how to do so properly. I encourage anyone who is newly appointed as a specified person in public life to attend the Integrity Commission orientation sections and help us and help Turks and Caicos Islands to protect and maintain good governance in our beautiful islands. Thank you.